This is a 6-hour P220. This is the Combat TB model. So it has threaded barrel with 5/7/8 by 28 threading. It's wearing an inside M3X, and we're going to be testing it with a 45 Osprey by Silencerco. These are 200 grain Rainier round nose bullets loaded with 4.3 grains of bullseye. First is going to be unsuppressed, then we're going to do suppressed dry, and then suppressed wet. Now we'll try some water. They say 5 cc's, but just dump a little in there. Shake it up a little bit. Good enough. Well, there it is.